Hello friends. Today we shall proceed with a new compound, that is metallocene having manganese as the central atom. And along with it we shall see the applications of metallocenes. So let's proceed. Now manganosine is bis cyclopentadienyl manganese 2 compound, and it is an organomanganese compound which has the formula MnC5H5 whole twice. It degrades rapidly in air, that is, such type of compounds are known as thermochromic compounds. So manganosine is a thermochromic solid. Now structure of manganosine, as you can see, is displayed in the side box, and we have already studied the classification of organometallocene. So it comes into the category of bent metallocene. Now, as far as synthesis of manganosine is considered, it is prepared by the first method, which we had already studied in the synthesis of metallocene. That is, it is prepared by the reaction of manganese chloride with sodium cyclopentadienide. That is shown in the reaction. Now, in the solid state, below 159 degree centigrade, manganosine adopts a polymeric structure with every manganese atom coordinated by 3 cyclopentadienyl ligand. However, above 159 degree centigrade, the solid changes the color from amber to pink, and the polymer converts to the structure of a bent complex, that is the molecule Mn-eta5 C5H5 whole twice. Now let's see the chemical properties of manganosine. So manganosine on carbonylation adds up 3 molecules of carbon monoxide in the same fashion, and on lithiation it attaches lithium to position 1. However, undergoing Friedel-Crafts reaction in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, COR group is attached at the same position, and on hydroxy carboxylation of the lithiated manganosine, carboxylic acid is formed, adding up COOH group at the same position. Now, detailed structure of the products formed as a result of Friedel-Crafts reaction, lithiation, and hydroxy carboxylation are shown in the side box, where all the bonds are clearly displayed. When manganosine is hydrated, it forms a hydroxide of manganese along with the cyclopentadiene. Manganosine polymerizes ethylene to high molecular weight linear polyethylene in the presence of methyl aluminoxane, that is shown in the side box, or diethyl aluminium chloride as co-catalysts. Alongside, some of the physical properties of manganosine are also displayed. Now let's see some of the applications of metallocene. So ferrocenium biosensor is used to determine the level of glucose in sample. So the devices use exactly the same enzyme that oxidizes glucose in the body, glucose oxidase, but immobilized in the solution. When one glucose molecule has been oxidized, the enzyme has taken up 2 electrons from the glucose, and it needs to get rid of them before it can take another glucose molecule. The device does this with 2 ferrocenium cation, which is a ferrocene molecule stripped of 1 electron and now contains Fe3 plus instead of Fe2 plus. So every glucose molecule in the blood sample, to reoxidize the enzyme, 2 ferrocenium cations are turned into ferrocene. To regenerate the original ferrocenium cation, the device passes an electric current between two electrodes, electrolyzing the ferrocene. The device measures this current and converts it to micromoles of glucose per liter on the display. So I shall be giving you a link in the description box of a paper which is based on glucose biosensors. You can go through it and then you will have a clear idea of how a biosensor works. Next comes is TEB reagent, which is shown, structure is shown in the side box. It is used for methylation of carbonyl compounds. Pitasis reagent is used in transformation of carbonyl compounds to terminal alkenes. That structure is also shown in the side box. Metallocenes are also useful in isotope separation. Then they exhibit anti-tumor properties, especially for molybdenum and titanium. And Schwarz reagent is used in transformation of alkenes and alkynes, that is a zirconium compound, and its structure is also shown in the side box. So friends, that's all in today's video. I hope you have a clear insight of the dealing topic. Kindly give me your feedback in the comment section, and I shall also be so happy to answer your queries if there are any. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.